Okay, I guess I'm done. It was a little more complicated than I thought, but so is everything I do these days. The good news is, you can see these. Some people don't like that. Me, it doesn't bother me a bit. I actually think it's kind of cool. I put one here and a couple down here and there's a couple more up here. I'm more interested in not having to rewrap it in 6 months than I am about somebody seeing a metal clamp on it. And you can see how these are overlapping. Well, it wasn't that way when I started. So something's moved or gotten loose, but still, looks pretty good. I can already see, areas where it's obvious I didn't know what I was doing. But for what I was shooting for, I like it. Of course, I had enough problems. Now I'm afraid to start it. So I'll just leave you with this. The one thing I did have trouble with, there's so much wrapping in here, and the clamps are right here. I had trouble getting the screws on to hold the exhaust in place. So I'll probably start it up later and do another video and watch it smoke and listen to the sound. But for right now, these are called Wyatt Gatling. I think they're cool. Hopefully it'll last more than 6 months. If I get another year or two out of it, that'll be great. Alright, the next one I'll start it and we'll see how it sounds.